Hey everybody, I'm going to take you on a studio tour of where I work. So let's go. All righty. So welcome to the studio. I would love to have all of you guys here, but since we can't all be here, this is where I work. When we come in, I'll just do a little quick thing here, very quick. This is the entrance, and this is where all of the painting aprons are hung so that when guests come, they can grab one and go to their assigned area. I was fortunate in my younger years to have two amazing portrait artists do my portrait for free because they needed practice. So it was a blessing. So I've got those hanging in here so that I don't ruin them for the future. But anyway, let's turn and we'll start the tour. Okay, so we're going to start on this side of the room. The room itself is not very big. It's a pretty tiny little space, but it's great enough to have two other people in here working if they need to. But anyhow, this is our side of the room that's oil painting. And my husband loves Bob Ross, so do I. And he's been learning how to do this a little bit at a time when he's not doing video and film work. So anyway, oil painting area. Down here we have tools of all kinds. Some jewelry boxes of things that are complete that I don't have a space for. But anyway, we also have these long tables here so we can stretch projects out if we need to. Or a painting desk for someone else. I also do candles, and I have a little spot for that as well. And then as we go around the room, yes, you have to have a TV, and yes, you have to have a refrigerator and all of that. So yeah, little small things so I can watch videos if I need to. Right here are our collection of books. Most of them were given to us by Ken's mom. She was a renowned China painter, and what a blessing. We have tons of them. And this is the acrylic station. This is where I work most of the time if I'm doing painting. And you can see there's every kind of acrylic paint over here under the sun. Cheap paints and really expensive paints. So we have everything we need to do any kind of acrylic painting, whether it's a pour or an abstract or anything else. Underneath my desk is the storage area for canvases and water and other kinds of paint and resin, all of that. And underneath the cabinet is also storage for other paints and things of that nature, more canvases. And then as we make the curve, my cat Spit is in the window. She's such a good girl. Anyway, here we go. This is another painting station for anyone who might want to come in and paint. I know a lot of people who don't have space where they live, and so I open the studio up for those people to come and use it. And then I have a nice little fireplace right here. And then I'm coming across to the area where I do all of my jewelry. And this is the jewelry area. These are some things on my wall that I have created. This is my cabinet right here that I have everything in. Some of my leather work there. But I have every cabinet, I have every cabinet labeled, as you can see here when I move this. Feathers, let me go down here, table fabric, any tools, patterns, leather, anything you would need is in this drawer labeled. Then you come up over here. There's some more of my leather work. And all my beads are hanging on the wall. Most of them are hanging on the wall. The loose strands, metal chain, anything you would need, horsehair right there. Anything you would need. Coming around the corner here is my display for current items that I have designed that are for sale. Current items there. Come down and other tools that we have here, reminders of things, how more boxes of items like crystal and miscellaneous loose beads, leather lace, porcupine quills, you name it. And leather samples, shells that are collectible. That's a rock flow chart right there. And I love this right here. I love that. A turquoise chart and where the mines are. Different things of that help me to identify stones. Then I come over here and here is my desk where I work. You can see all the bead chests right here across. This one has bone and wood in it and things like that. This one has seed beads in it of all kinds. This one has crow beads and metal beads of all kinds. And oh my gosh, the walls are going to fall down. My desk is clean this year with a new piece of leather. Oh my goodness, I know a bunch of you guys are jumping up and down. Anyway, new piece of leather to work on. Pencils, pens of all colors, hammers, beading tools, leather punches, hatchets, you name it, it's over here. Every kind of glue. But the cool thing about this side of the room is all of these wonderful things that I have up here on the walls and things, all of these little doodads. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot to most people, but all of these little doodads up here and things on the walls are things that people have given me over the years. And I just love them because it reminds me of all the beautiful people that have been in my life and the joy that they have brought me. Even these beautiful macaw feathers and pheasant feathers were given to me as a gift from someone who had a macaw and it was molting and they brought them to me. So anyway, it's just beauty and amazing memories for me to look back on. But the next room over here is our eBay room. My husband has a small eBay business where he just sells miscellaneous things for fun. And then this is where I shoot all my jewelry. I can see there's a piece right there getting ready to be shot. Right there, and a couple of more that are waiting to be shot right there. So I shoot all of my photos right there. And I'll come on out and come back around. All right. So this is the studio. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Okay, everybody, that was the end of the studio tour. Hope you enjoyed it. I loved taking you through. Looking forward to doing some new beading designs and some new jewelry with you guys in 2024. So let's do it. Bye.